Hello, hi everyone. This is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. Welcome to one more vlog. This vlog is about day 2 heavy rains at Sakleshpur, heavy rains at our estate. Uh, but the same work is we are just the trench cleaning work as well as the fish manure. So here you can see this will be the blockage in the trenches, and this will lead to if we don't clean all this stuff, so there will be a blockage of water and water runs to the estate. So the first and foremost thing in the rainy season is cleaning of trenches so that we can avoid the rotting, leaf defoliation, plus we can avoid what rotting is called as choleroga. So fish manure application is also going on simultaneously. As I have told you yesterday that it will turn up into the liquid. ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿ. So we should make sure that trenches should be cleaned on a proper note and the water flow should be easy and free. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರಫೀಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 8 ಜನನಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಟಾರ್ಪಲ್ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. So the cleaning work is going on, and people have to understand is, see this plant here, you can just check ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನೆತ್ತಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ರಾಟಿಂಗ್ will start. So here you can see the result of running blossom. Here you can see the uneven bare bean setting. The droppings will start. So we have to make sure ಅರ್ಧ ಅಡಿ ಕಂಚಿಗರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಗಿಡ ಖುಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಏರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Otherwise this will be one more cause for rotting. Here also you can just check. We should always show the failures. You can just check. This is all the results of global warming and running blossom. No rains at proper time. Rains are unscheduled. Rain comes will appear only when there is total, we can say that uncertainty in rains. When we doesn't need, we get rains. When we need, we don't have rains on time. So these are the few things you can just check here. We are making sure each and every block of the estate where the trenches and water flows, we don't want to take any chances this time. So the trench work is on toes. Fish manure we are applying. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕಾಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆಗಳೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನಪ್ಪ? ಡ್ರಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಗಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅವನು ಯಾಕೆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ? ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ सीना. क्लीन से डाल रहा है? हाँ, क्या डाल रहा है? गोबरा कौन सा? उसको क्या, कौन सा गोबरा बोलते हैं? केड़ो शिवपा,
कौन सा गोबरा? वो मछली का। हाँ
बता, क्या डाल रहा है? मछली का गोबरा. काफी को कितना? 2 किलो. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ರಫೀಕ್? ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಕೈ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು? हाथ डाल रहा है? कितना हाथ बोलो? 2 किलो बोले तो कितना हाथ? 4-5. हाँ काफ़ी को 1 किलो कितना हाथ? 1 किलो कितना हाथ? क्लीन से काम कर रहा नहीं कर रहा बोलो। 4 हाथ डालता है। हाँ ठीक डालो ರಫೀಕ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ए कौन उधर? ओए कितना हाथ डाला सुपारी को? नोड़ी कितना हाथ डाला? इधर देखो, इधर देखो. हाँ 5 हाथ. हाँ दूर डालना, दूर डालो. हाँ so this is the way. It's very hard to train these people and move on. So the trench work is going on very neat and tidy. The work is going on very neat and tidy. So ನಾವೆಲ್ಲೂ ಶೀತ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಶೀತ ಆದರೆ ರಾಟಿಂಗು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is how the work is going on. Weathers are. So the thing is, we have to be working hard even in the rainy season, because rainy season is the one. Rainy season is the one season where plants will having a crave, and in the rainy season, what we have the problem is if there is huge rains like what Sakleshpur is witnessing now from last 4 to 5 days. We have been receiving almost per day 1.5, and yesterday we received 160. So in this huge rains, the rotting will start. Choleroga, what we call. To avoid the rotting and to avoid the defoliation, if there is a lot of the robusta as well as arecanate are very sensitive towards the water, whether it might be in summer, whether it might be in rainy season. In summer it requires a lot of water, whereas as I've told you, both arecanate as well as robusta coffee C/R, both the crops are sensitive towards the rain. It requires a lot of water in summer for the better setting as well as to improve the life cycle of the plant. Then coming back, in the rainy season we have to make sure that there will be no waterlogging, because once the waterlogging starts, then the tissues, the top tissues, the feeding roots will start decaying. So this will lead to rotting, choleroga, then leaf shedding will happen, the plant gets dull. So these are the few things what we have to make sure. So immediately we should, from last 3-4 days what we are, you can just witness here, immediately it has started pouring now. Continuously it's raining from last 3-4 days. Today also we have almost crossed 80 cents from last 3-4 to 120. So continuous works, challenging works are going on in the estate. As I've told you, ಅರ್ಧ ಅಡಿನೂ ಬಿಡಿಸಿಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಕೊಳೆರೋಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಏರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. So no sleeping mode, only active mode in the plantations. Rainy seasons are also very challenging. We have to keep on working. Then coming back to fish manure has given us a very good result. So we have been actively putting the fish manure also. So one thing what I would like to tell also the growers and farmers and planters is, please don't change your dairies. What mistake we do is, immediately if there is some new manure, we want to apply that, or immediately if there is one higher molecule is come, we want to apply that. But we have to follow the traditional methods, and we cannot have a luxury to change the dairies, the traditional methods, and what exactly our estates have given success in. So keeping all this in mind, we in Agronomy Solutions in our estate will never change the dairies, no matter which product comes in, what matter comes in, so that like in behind me you can just witness the chlorophyll of my plants. It's open to sky, but still it's on a green board. So these are the few things which I just wanted to share. So rains have started. I have to switch on. Please do like our videos, share our videos. Please do comment on the videos so that we can learn from each other. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that all the deserving So these are the few things which I just wanted to share with you people. Thank you one and all. Let's meet on the next vlog. Agronomy Solutions is all about agriculture is our culture, Krishi and Amma Samskriti. Thank you.